Step 1. Connect part A to part B and hand tighten the coupling. Step 2. Connect part B to part C and hand tighten the coupling. Use the supplied 17mm wrench to securely tighten both couplings, A to B and B to C. Step 3. Mount part D onto part A or B, secure it with a PH2 Phillips screw, ensuring the burner head is pointing upward. Step 4. Connect part C to part E. First, hand tighten the nut, then use a 19mm wrench to fully secure the connection. Step 5, optional. If the assembly is too long, remove part B, connect part C directly to part A, then use the 17mm wrench to tighten the fitting securely.